Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about amazing, interesting and funny facts about your body, about human body. So we've talked before about the animals, about their features, their funny facts. Now we are going to talk about human body. So take a look around you. The world is full of scientific marvels. From the atomic building blocks of life to the deepest depths of outer space, there are a lot of things to awe over. And add your body to the list. Add your body to the list. Yes, the human body is truly an incredible specimen. Don't believe it? Take a look at these 10 facts. You will be surprised at what you learn. Infants are born with approximately 300 bones, but as they grow, some of these bones fuse together. By the time they reach adulthood, they only have 206 bones. Yep, there we lose about 94 bones. Um, More than half of your bones are located in the hands, wrists, feet, and ankles. Every second, your body produces 25 million new cells. That means in 15 seconds, you will have produced more cells than there are people in the United States. The largest bone in the human body is the femur, also known as a shin bone, a thigh bone. The smallest bone is the stirrup bone, which is located inside your ear drum. There is anywhere between 60,000 and 100 miles of blood vessels in the human body. If they were taken out and laid end to end, they would be long enough to travel around the world more than 3 times. These are considered part of the skeletal system but are not counted as bones. Despite accounting for 2% of our body mass, the brain uses 20% of our oxygen and blood supply. While humans are not the biggest, fattest, or strongest animals around, we are the best at something. Long distance running. Our long legs, upright posture, and ability to shed heat via sweat are all factors that make us good runners. In fact, early humans used to hunt their prey by cutting it for long periods of time until the animals literally died from exhaustion, a technique known as persistence hunting. Did you know that about 60% of your body is made up of water? Yes, just of water. Pound for pound, your bones are stronger than steel. A block of bone the size of matchbox can support up to 18,000 pounds of weight. Want more fun facts about the human body? Um, Your lungs can produce about 1 liter salivia each day. Your brain is sometimes more active when you are asleep than when you are awake. Late end to end, an adult blood vessels could circle Earth's equator 4 times. The word muscle comes from Latin uh, term meaning little mouse, which is what ancient Romans thought flexed bicep muscle resemble. Bodies give off a tiny amount of light that's too weak for the eye to see. The average person has 67 um, species of bacteria in their belly button. You lose about 4 kilograms of skin cells every year. Babies don't shed tears until they are at least 1 month old. Information zoomed along nerves at about 400 kilometers per hour. The human heart 3 billion times in average lifespan. Your left lung is about 10% smaller than your right one. Human teeth are just as strong as a shark teeth. Scientists estimate that the nose can recognize a trillion different scents. Humans are the only species known to blush. Your blood makes up about 8% of your body weight. Infants are born with approximately 300 bones, but as they grow, some of these bones fall together. By the time they reach adulthood, they only have 206 bones. Every second, your body produces 25 million new cells. That means in 15 seconds you will have produced more cells than there are people in the United States. The largest bone in the human body is the femur, also known as the thin bone. The smallest bone is the stirrup bone, which is located inside your eardrum. There is anywhere between 60,000 to 100,000 miles of blood vessels in the human body. If they were taken out and laid and to end, they would be long enough to travel around the world more than 3 times. So that's all for now. Thanks for your view. I hope you enjoyed this video. Write a comment below. Have a nice day. Bye.